Welcome back to Aubrey channel. Today we are going to be coloring these 3D color prints, color gardens, and they have a bunch of flowers, and I have a bunch of these markers here, and they're 3D, so I'll show you guys building it, and I'll also show you guys some of the instructions. So, but we're doing a twist. It came with these markers, so I thought, why don't I just do a 3 marker challenge on it? So, today, right now I have a bunch of these garden stuff. The reason why I'm not showing you what they are is because you guys are gonna have to find out in the next video. I'm showing you 2. In the next video, I'm gonna do another. I'm gonna do one of them that I show you, and I'm gonna show you the rest. So right now there is the Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna be doing this one today, and then in the next video I'm going to be doing this horse. And if you guys think I should do the horse in the next video and show you guys, give me a like, subscribe, and a thumbs up. And let's get started. So first, you need to find the wrapping to take it out. It's hard, you might need scissors. And then you take it out. So when you take it out, this thing will slide out, and it has the picture on the front, and then it has the instructions on the back. So we'll put these to the side because right now we're not going to do anything. And you'll see like a little thing right here can open. And you're gonna not pop anything out. You're not gonna do anything. You're just gonna keep it like this. And then you're gonna color the whole thing. Maybe the back if you want to. And then I'll show you guys me popping them out. Because this design is so big, instead of 3 markers, I might do 6 markers. So first, I need to grab all 6 markers of all of these markers, and I need to choose them one at a time, so it's not considered cheating, instead of grabbing a whole full and then picking. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, done. I think I like my colors. So first, I have a blue, there's a pink, a purple, a light baby purple, a pretty green, and a yellow. So I'll put these on the side. And luckily, I got my 4 favorite colors, or my 3 favorite colors, purple, pink, and blue. So let's get started coloring. First, I'm gonna get the yellow, and I'm gonna color. I'm gonna color the inside of sunflowers. Let me put that there. This is what I've done so far down here in the corner with my coloring. Now I'm going to color with this dark green on some of the bigger stuff so you guys can see well. So I think that's done coloring. I'm gonna follow the instructions on how to pop out the pieces, and then I'm gonna build them together. I'm gonna leave all my markers right here just in case when I add a little more while I pop them out. Okay, let's start popping them out. Now I've popped out all the important parts like this one, and make sure you get these little ones out because they're not important and you need holes in them. Now I'm going to start putting it together. Now I have to just insert this last piece. Done. Bye. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Wait, don't go yet. The best part is, at the end, you can celebrate with confetti. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Caleb Ray Connor channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Caleb Ray Connor channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Caleb Ray Connor channel. Restart. I forgot what to say. This one is a peachy color. It's good for, I don't know. It's just good. Restart. I messed up. I have restart and over again where they rip. My gosh, restart.